You want to improve your listening skills, but don't know where to start? Here's a simple guide to help you practice effectively, anytime, anywhere. First, how to practice listening. Start small. Choose a short audio or video, maybe a podcast, a news clip, or a favorite song. Listen once without subtitles. Just focus on the sounds, the rhythm, the tone. Then, listen again with subtitles or a transcript. This way your ears and your brain start working together. Another powerful method is called the shadowing technique. Listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately. Copy the speed, the accent, the emotion. It feels awkward at first, but trust me, it works like magic. Also, try different voices, different accents, different topics. The more variety you hear, the faster your brain learns. Next, when to practice. Morning time is golden. Your mind is fresh, so listen to something new as soon as you wake up. Got a long commute? Turn that bus ride or car drive into a learning opportunity with podcasts or audiobooks. Before bed, spend 5 minutes listening again. Research shows your brain processes language even while you sleep. And remember, you don't need hours every day. Just 15 to 20 minutes of focused listening, done consistently, can transform your skills in a month. So start today. Choose your time, choose your audio, and listen. Really listen. Because the more you listen, the better you understand. And the better you understand, the better you communicate with the world.